Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of What Would Keith Do? And today I want to talk about something that I took with me on a recent trip to Peru, and that's this, a Rav Powerbank. Now normally on trips previous I've taken a solar charger with me with a separate power bank, and I've charged the power bank up on a daily basis. It just gets a bit of a hassle. There's not much sun, you can't charge it up. So I thought this time I'd try one of these. Now this is a massive power bank in relation to normal battery pack sizes. It's not overly heavy, but it's nearly 27,000 milliamps of power in this bank. Now, not getting too technical, but my iPhone takes 2,000 to charge from flat to full charge. So I can technically charge my iPhone 13 times using this one. Great thing about it is it has 3 USB ports in it, so you can charge 3 things at the same time. So whilst I was away in Machu Picchu, I was charging my watch each day because I was recording each day's route. I was charging my GoPro, and I was also charging my phone as well, all at the same time. So I did that for like 3 nights consecutively, and when I got back I still had half the charge left on this one. So they're really cheap. They're about £35 each, and I'll put a link to where I got this one from in the bottom of the video. So until next week, I'll speak to you later. Bye.